Hi guys, this is Diane here, Millionaire Mom. Now, how did I actually get 5 sales in the very first week of this challenge? So as you know, this is the $1 Million Passive Income Challenge with Liam. A lot of people are getting results, but how did I smash it and get 5 in the first week? Let me tell you a little secret. It's called having a Facebook group of your own. This is my group. It's been going just over a year. And basically, I've chosen the word attraction marketing in it because a lot of people search for attraction marketing, and some days I can get like 17 people asking to join my group. Sometimes it's 5, but as you can see, I get free leads from Facebook searches. Now, how do I get people into my group? Well, I've learned the 6-step sponsoring sequence. So this time last year, I was just like you. I had got a vague idea of how it worked on the internet, but I hadn't really got a proper system. So what I did is I did this 5-day Facebook challenge, and this actually turned your thinking completely around, because let me introduce you to the lovely Gavin Mountford. He's been my friend and mentor for over a year. Okay, if he can see potential in you, he will keep you really close to him. So there are 5 different videos. The first day you learn, well, are you spamming your links everywhere and pushing people away, or are you attracting people in with little questions? For instance, how would you like my free 7 steps guide to Facebook groups? Getting leads from Facebook groups. Then you will put a teaser post in the groups. They will say me, and then you'll say, hey, would you still like a copy of XYZ? Yes, and then you send them the link. So you don't actually send the link at first because they've forgotten it. Half an hour later, they've forgotten. So you have to be, so that's how not to spam. Then you say, well, would you like a private invite to my group, Attraction Marketing Unleashed? Yeah, where I give top daily tips for online entrepreneurs on motivation, focus, and getting leads, something like that. Then they say that's cool, so you send them the link, and then you start a relationship with them. So the first message, so basically you set up your group. So there's your push and pull marketing. You set up your group, then you warm them up, and then these, you have to do this because it'll just turn your life around. Look, there's one starting on Saturday. Anyway, I actually learned, after that bit, I actually learned the 6-step sponsoring sequence, which I'm going to give you a little tour of the back office here. The 6-step sponsoring sequence, once you get them inside the group, I mean, you can try and do it on your own because you learn the basic steps, but you'll soon run out of things to say. So basically, once you've got them inside your group, you have to keep putting out content. Now, I've been trying to learn how to make money online for like 10 years. And until I met Gavin, I didn't make any. So his stuff works. So basically, you get to know them. So you invite them into your group. You got a welcome message in your group. You can put it on a video. Videos work really well, but you can put it on a. So my method is you do one video, And then whoever's come in on that day, you put them there and then they can introduce themselves. So then you welcome them into the group, then you send them a welcome private message. So there, you don't know them, but you're saying welcome to the group, and here's your, and then you can say, would you like, no, where do you live? You get to know them first, and you might want to look at the profile and say, I saw one the other day, and she'd actually got a photo of her with Tony Robbins, and I'm going, oh my God, he's my hero. So you get a conversation with something off their profile that you've got something in common with, that you resonate with. So then you get the bonding going. So basically they start cold, like there's the cold, further away is cold, and then they're coming in and they're getting warmer and warmer. Okay, so you get a connection with the person, and then the 6-step sponsoring sequence. This is the step-by-step guide. So there's a lot of training in here. There's the basics, right? The basics. There's how to log everybody that you actually accept in your group. So there's the tag them in the first message and approve them. Then you get to know them. You give them your freebie. Get to know them, and the specific difference of Gavin's training and anybody else's on the planet. He teaches you to get on the phone or video and get to know them. No links, no selling. Get to know them, what their hopes and fears are. Just say hello and just check in. Then, eventually, when you want to invite them to your opportunity, he tells you the exact sentence to actually ask them the right way. Aha. So then you can invite, there's a beginner's way and there's an advanced way. You can get them on a call and introduce your product on a call. And then you send the presentation and then you follow up. So basically, I've learnt this. And basically, if you know people and they like you and trust you, boom. The links to the 5-day challenge are below. If you want to 10x your business and get 5 leads in 1 week, this is the way to do it. So I just want to say thank you to Liam for this opportunity, and a big giant thank you to the great Gavin Mountford, because he's a master networker, and he just, if he can see potential in you, he will gently, if you're like a rough diamond, and he'll tweak you and make you shine. So that's it. You have to get relationships with people, and then if they know, like and trust you, and you find another good opportunity, then they'll just follow you. So my top tips for getting 5 leads, 5 sales in 1 week is get to know them, get to know what their hopes, dreams and fears are, find the solution to their problem, and boom. Click the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and comment below what an amazing person I am to teach you about this 6-step sponsoring sequence. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.